nice. A lot of bugs, though.
James,
Yes.
my memory's getting a little spotty,
Yes.
but do you remember playing this stage about 29 years ago?
No, I don't.
Did you say no?
No. I'm sure it was great, but I don't remember. Did we play here?
Lollapalooza, buddy.
Oh, hey. Hey.
Were you there? Were you there? Or were you in the back doing cocaine with George Clinton?
Could have been.
Were you in the back rapping with the Beasties?
I like those guys, but I don't remember. I don't remember much.
I almost asked you if you were in the back breeding with the breeders, but that's... You can't do that anymore.
No.
Although these days you can breed with everybody.
Let's move on to a new subject. It's great being here. Is this Clarkston? I don't know much.
So James, thank you and thank these lovely people for 36 years of the Smashing Pumpkins. Mind blower, bro.
Mind blown.
Mind blower.
Easy.
So we'd like to take you back to those heady times of 1994. Play a little song we wrote back. Actually, right after we finished Lollapalooza, I think we wrote this song. If you know it, sing along. If you don't, to quote Paul Stanley. You want to quote Paul Stanley?
He's got a lot of good quotes. I mean...
Detroit Rock City, come on.
Oh.
Should I just go on?
I have to look at
Just
the
keep going,
lyrics.
right?
I have to look at the lyrics. But
It's a little song we wrote back in 1994. We dedicate this to everyone here. Thank you so much. It's a little song we like to call... Dookie? No, just kidding. A little song we like to call Tonight. Tonight.